But AI lacks something sort of kind of meaningful, trust, like this robocall, AI generated.
Is it a real person, or is this an automated intelligence system that's calling me?
Haha, I totally get why you might think that, Peter. But I assure you, I'm a real person reaching out to you. My name is Your Name, and I work with a team that helps businesses like yours connect with potential clients. We use a combination of automated systems.
My name is Your Name. Thanks to Carson Fox there. The AI robocall says my name is your name, which is really just the start of what we're all facing here.